Hey guys, my name's Luke. I'm the service manager here at Applewood Kia in Surrey. Don't panic. If it's on solid, it's still safe to drive. If it's flashing, that's when we recommend to stop your vehicle, pull over to the side of the road obviously, and call a tow truck or get it towed in to us and we can take a look at it. We will always use factory parts. If you own a Honda or a GM or anything, we'll also get the factory parts in for your vehicle. But if you're coming to Kia, we will always use Kia genuine parts. We have our Kia factory trained technicians working on your vehicle to best diagnose and to best service your vehicle. Now that we're getting into the colder temperatures, it's a good idea to get winter tires on your vehicle. Term winter tires should be actually cold tires. Anytime the temperature is less than 7 degrees, these winter tires will adhere better to the road, giving you more grip, better stopping distance for your vehicle. Even if you're not going on a long drive, having those winter tires on your vehicle is the best for your safety and for the safety of others as well. Few things about owning a new car. We recommend the oil change should be done every 6,000 kilometers or 6 months. Even if you're not driving the mileage these days, we still recommend that oil to be changed every 6 months so it doesn't break down over time. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon at Applewood Kia in Surrey.